Hi folks, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know to become a full-time content creator in 2026. You're definitely not too late no matter what you've told yourself. Creator economy is still growing so fast. I read that Goldman Sachs predicts it could nearly double by 2027. Brands are adapting so quickly, budgets are increasing every year. There's so many opportunities for you as a creator. Whatever your level is, it has never been easier than 2026 to make money from your content. And that is exactly why I wanted to make this series for you. Whether you're just starting out or simply want to feel more confident making content. I've been working in the creator economy and social media for over a decade, and now I run an influence marketing agency called Social Folk. I also coach creators, some now with millions of followers. So let's grab a cup of tea and let's get going. If you want to start creating content but you're afraid of what people say, welcome to the club. Everybody feels that way when they start. Please don't let anybody's imaginary opinion of you stop you from creating content. If you can overthink the worst, you can overthink the best. And darling, I'm going to hold your hand when I tell you this. In the end, people are going to judge you anyway, no matter what you do. And honestly, you've already made the first step. You obviously already want more for yourself. You wouldn't be here otherwise. And the people who will judge you, because there are people who will judge you, are usually the ones that aren't doing anything and they're not building anything themselves. They're not the ones taking risks. They're not the ones creating opportunities for themselves. They're spectators. And you're the one who's actually doing it. When I first started posting, I literally blocked all my friends and family and old colleagues. I felt so awkward and cringe. I know exactly what it feels like, and that felt so real and scary. Honestly, you have no idea how good it gets once you start making yourself visible. I promise you. Things couldn't have changed more in my life, and you can do it too. You just need to get through this weird, cringy, awkward phase. Everything that you're scared of right now becomes so small compared to the opportunities that you will receive on the other side. All right, let's go to step 2. What do you want to be known for online? When people hear content posts, they think, oh, it needs to be this whole complicated thing, and it really doesn't. At this stage, it's simply about choosing themes that you want to create content around, the things that you want to be known for. I know a lot of people hate hearing that you should niche down, but from my experience, it is the fastest way that you can grow your account quickly. It's going to help you grow because people will remember you. Think about it like this. What's someone more likely to remember? The person who posts 100 different things on 100 different topics. Sadly, it's very unlikely in today's social media landscape. What they will remember is they'll remember you as the mum who creates beautiful hairstyles for her kids every single day before school and posts them, or the person who posts 10-minute meal prep ideas, or the person inspiring you to do a Sunday reset and clean your home, not posting 100 unrelated videos. The thing with this is, if someone likes the topic that you're talking about, they will automatically usually follow you. Don't overthink it, because you can always change and pivot your content later and open up to talking about more things. But for now, the best thing you can do is to niche down. It's a really natural way for you to work with brands, because let's face it, likes don't pay your bills. It's not just about posting what you like, it's about how you can inspire, help and educate people really at the end of the day. For example, if you're sharing a renovation journey, most people that follow you are either planning a renovation or doing a renovation also. So it's inspirational or educational content that they're looking for. That could look like a few different things. Inspo that they can save, before and after examples of how you did things, money saving tips or home finds that you really like, ideas that they can copy in their own home. They'll usually have a similar style to you. That's why they're following you. Just choose a few themes that you can consistently talk about without burning out, that you absolutely love to talk about. So here are some beginner friendly examples of this. Keep it light, keep it doable, and remember, you can always change your niche further down the line. So once we have an idea of how we're niching down and the kind of content that we want to create, how do we find out what kind of content people are actually searching for? The easiest way to do this is through creator search insights. This is a bit of a gold dust tip for you here. TikTok has become a full-on search engine now. So if you know what people are typing into TikTok, you can create content that gets discovered so much easier. You go to a TikTok profile and then go to creator tools, and you'll see search insights. It shows you in real time what people are searching for right now, and you can filter it by any niche or any topic that you want to be known for. It's honestly so simple. This will give you free ideas that your target audience are searching for answers for. Make your version of that content and add your own spin. Step 4, we need to choose a primary platform. You're only one person, and if you're gonna do this properly, you need to do it in a way that you're not gonna burn out. And the easiest way to do that is choose one primary platform and repurpose all of your content to everywhere else. My best advice is to choose a platform that you actually enjoy creating content on, because you're more likely to create the content, because this is a very long road. You already put all that effort into strategy, scripting, filming, editing, writing captions. So push that content as far as possible. And honestly, repurposing your content is the smartest way to do this. Most people don't see your posts on every platform anyway. And if they do, they don't care. It actually builds familiarity. Also think about it like this. So every platform plays its own role. TikTok is great for reach and discoverability and views. Instagram is great for community building and selling through your DMs and your stories. YouTube is amazing for long form content, but also building long-term community and trust. Pinterest is great for evergreen traffic. The goal here is to create sustainability, not chaos. You're building something long-term. Consistency beats perfection. Now that you have the foundations, in part 2, we're going to go a lot deeper. I'm taking you through all of the steps to actually create the content. I'm going to show you the practical side of exactly how I film, the setup I use, the equipment that I use, and how to make content that actually looks good so people want to engage with it. The next video is going to be the most helpful video, so do not miss it. Make sure to subscribe. No overcomplicating, super simple steps. You're doing amazing already. Please don't forget that. But part 2 is going to make this whole thing a lot easier for you.